सलमान सर के साथ कि सर आप मुझसे पूछ रहे हो मैंने क्या किया है ज़िंदगी में, मैं आपको बताती हूँ मैं कहाँ से आई हूँ. ही टोल्ड मी कीप क्वाइट.
इन योर बिग बॉस जर्नी वहाँ भी नेहल की पर्सनालिटी बहुत निकल के आई थी.
मेरी मर्जी, क्या करेगी क्या करेगी क्या करेगी क्या करेगी तू.
लोगों ने बहुत मिसअंडरस्टैंड भी किया था. डू यू थिंक यू आर द मोस्ट मिसअंडरस्टूड कंटेस्टेंट?
द थिंग इज कि नेहल की एक ही पर्सनालिटी बाहर लाई. Everyone said that Nehal, your fun side was not shown only. Like they just showed me fighting. 64 में से एक भी दिन उन्होंने मेरी वो पोएटिक वे में मजाकी अंदाज में मैं क्या रेडी हुई वो दिखाई नहीं. I feel like the makers had to map me a certain way because it was easier for them to show me the villain.
If you have to choose 5 people जिससे आप कभी दोबारा नहीं मिलना चाहोगे.
तान्या, फरहाना, बसीर, खानजादी from 50.
के क्राउनिंग डे पे सुशांत सिंह राजपूत seen cheering for you. He was
Yes,
rooting for your
absolutely.
answers. Hello and welcome to RVCJ Movies. This is your host Yashasvi Singh. Please welcome Nehal Chudasama.
Hi, thank you. Thank you for having me.
Yeah. The 50 से पहले जाए इन योर बिग बॉस जर्नी वहाँ भी नेहल की पर्सनालिटी बहुत निकल के आई थी. शी इज़ स्ट्रॉन्ग, शी इज़ फियर्स, बट बहुत लोगों ने बहुत मिसअंडरस्टैंड भी किया था. डू यू थिंक यू आर द मोस्ट मिसअंडरस्टूड कंटेस्टेंट ऑल्दो यू आर वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग?
So the first question you said that नेहल की एक पर्सनालिटी बाहर आई. The thing is कि नेहल की एक ही पर्सनालिटी बाहर लाए थे शो में. You know that is my biggest complaint which I have been saying everywhere in the interviews. That and you know my friends who watched it, my makeup artists who watched it, everywhere I go, there are certain people who are like अरे यार ये कैसी है, and people who know me, they are fighting with these people कि ये ऐसे नहीं हैं. Like everyone said that Nehal, your fun side was not shown only. You know, like they just showed me fighting. They didn't show me talk to people, giving massages to Malti for half an hour, and Malti telling me that यार तेरा ये साइड तो दिख ही नहीं रहा, ऐसा लग रहा है तू सिर्फ लड़ रही है. And that's when it struck me, I'm like, oh, they're not showing my fun side at all. Like I am known to get ready, right? Yeah. What I had contributed to the show was I would get ready and every morning, हर सुबह मैं कैमरा पे जाके पोएटिक वे में मैं क्या रेडी हुई हूँ मैं वो कहती थी. पर एक भी एपिसोड में लाइव में कहीं पर भी एक भी दिन मैं आई वॉज इन द हाउस फॉर 64 days. 64 में से एक भी दिन उन्होंने मेरी वो पोएटिक वे में मजाकी अंदाज में मैं क्या रेडी हुई वो दिखाई नहीं. So I think I feel like the makers had to map me a certain way because it was easier for them to show me the villain because of the strong personality that I have. And that's what they did, and that's why the world couldn't see the other side of Nehal, and which is why they misunderstood me. So I don't have any complaints with people misunderstanding me. वो तो misunderstand करेंगे ना जब उनको बताया ही आधी story है तो. So yeah.
तो बिग बॉस इज ऑल्सो अबाउट रिलेशंस. आप जब बिग बॉस एंटर कर रहे थे उससे पहले यू हैड अ फ्रेंड बसीर. आफ्टर दैट शो समहाउ थिंग्स एंडेड इन अ बिटर वे. सो आर यू फ्रेंड्स विद हिम स्टिल?
So Basir was never my friend. We had a mutual friend and we worked out in a common gym, and we just had a hi hello with each other two times. That's it. I don't know anything about Basir, but we do have a lot of mutual friends for sure. So we know things about each other through mutual friends, but that's about it. So when we entered the show, I think he knew that I was coming. I didn't know that he was entering. So when I saw him, I was like, hey, like, you know, like we know
each other.
But it's not like we know too well about each other. We weren't friends. So on stage also while entering, when Salman sir was asking like out of these two guys, it was easier for me to choose Basir because I know him. I didn't know Bajaj, you know. So that was about it. And about later after the show, I think I've said this enough. Yeah, but I feel like there were lots of misunderstandings, miscommunications, and lots of offense from Basir's end. As I mentioned earlier also that when things break my self-respect, things break my ego, that's okay. I can still take it because I'm an emotional person. But when things come on my self-respect and when the other person knows that what they've done is wrong, but they still defend themselves with 100 different ways because they have a bigger fandom or whatsoever, then that's when I take a stop. Like, I can't go ahead of this. So that's it.
And with Farhana also you had a very beautiful bond.
Yeah.
But वो भी धीरे धीरे
Yeah.
show के बाद.
Yeah. I don't know what, like, I really don't have anything to say about Farhana because it was cordial until a certain time. And I feel like that reciprocation is not coming from her end. The day it comes, I will be fine. I will probably talk things out. But again, there also I feel like there have been a lot of things gone against my self-respect, and I feel like as a friend, she would have defended me because she knew the truth, which of course the fans don't know, which the audience don't know because there were only half stories that were shown. And I was just hurt with the fact that she did not defend me because she knew the truth about everything. So I feel like when a friend is not standing there to support you, because I was there inside the house throughout, I've taken a lot of complaints on me, like जब उसका और बजाज वाला अभिषेक वाला मैटर हुआ था, I was blamed for भड़काउing her or for taking a wrong stand about, you know, my only point was that he should have taken her consent before touching her. It was that simple. But I was misinterpreted in a lot of Weekend Ka Wars, and all my stands have been very selfless for her, out of heart. But I feel like if she doesn't want to show that friendship outside, then okay, that's a full stop again from my end.
So you talked about Weekend Ka War, and Weekend के वार में सलमान भाई सबकी क्लास लगाते थे. Do you think he was a little strict with you?
Oh, 100%. You will not believe, every Weekend Ka War, I would be shivering before it starts. Shivering, literally shivering. And I would go on camera 1-2 days pehle, and I would speak to them, you know, like, guys, if you, like, please don't make it about me this time. Like, what have I done? And if you scold me again, I'm going to cry and I'm going to give up in this show. I've had this conversation with Farhana also so much, that if they scold me this time, I'm going to give up and, like, not do anything at all. I would be shivering. And every Weekend Ka War, they would start with Nehal. And I'm like, oh my God. But I don't know why. But then after few instances, I realized that probably that is what they wanted. They wanted to put me in the bad light because there was this one conversation about my title, about Miss Universe India के तानिया और मेरे बीच का जो ये था. They asked me आपने क्या किया है? I said yeah, Miss Universe. उन्होंने Miss Universe India को compare किया एक वैसे pageant के साथ जिसकी ना कोई existence है और ना कोई future है. I didn't even know about tourism or Asia or whatsoever, you know, just you can research about it on internet. I kept quiet, and then they asked me, what have you done after the title? You know, have you done any damn shows? I've done, I don't do pool modeling because I hold a title. I've show stopped for a lot of designers, but I was asked to keep quiet in that moment. I've done 2 web series, I've done a film, right? But I was asked to shut up in that moment. And everything that I get out from my mouth, I was questioned for that. हाँ तो क्या? हाँ तो क्या? हाँ तो क्या? ठीक है, आपने किया. अच्छा, तुमने क्या किया गौरव? तुमने क्या किया? I never compared myself to them. I respect Gaurav Khanna. He's been in the industry for the longest time. Kunika ji, for the longest time. My question to Tanya in that moment was one simple thing कि आप जो मैंने किया है आप वो 7 जन्म में नहीं कर पाओगे, because she herself had told me on the show on the second day sitting with other girls that Nehal, you really inspire me because I wanted to go to Miss Universe, I wanted to represent India there and I couldn't do it. So on a day when you question me about my jealousy, I have full rights to ask you what have you done in your life. It's that simple and I stand by it. But again, coming back to your question, I would feel very devastated जब मैं अपनी कहानी शेयर कर रही हूँ सलमान सर के साथ कि सर आप मुझसे पूछ रहे हो मैंने क्या किया है ज़िंदगी में, मैं आपको बताती हूँ मैं कहाँ से आई हूँ. ही टोल्ड मी कीप क्वाइट एंड द सेम मोमेंट ही आस्क्ड तान्या तुम बताओ. इमेजिन, I literally felt like the land beneath my, you know, legs were like shaking, like what is going on with me? Why are they doing this with me? I was crying, I had tears in my eyes, but it was what it was. So,
yes,
yeah.
Viewers also, we felt that was somehow unnecessary.
Yeah.
थोड़ा तो ज़्यादा टारगेट किया गया था.
So that's when I realized that probably this is what they want. They want to put me in the bad light. They want to make me the villain. And I still have the question, why? Why me?
We have seen you visiting Kunika ji's house.
Yeah.
वहाँ पर आपने बहुत ही अच्छा cooking किया. So clearly you are friends with her, and you said you have so many friends from
Yeah.
both these shows,
Yeah.
be it Big Boss or The 50. So if I have to ask you your top 5 friends from both these shows, then who are they?
Oh, at present?
Top 5,
oh,
yeah.
for sure. First would be Krishna, Kunika ji, Aways, Tejasvi for sure, and I think Shiny.
And if you have to choose 5 people जिससे आप कभी दोबारा नहीं मिलना चाहोगे.
यार क्यों करवा रहे हो मुझसे क्यों करवा I think I've already told you that there's a full stop that I've given to a certain people. That's Tanya, there's Farhana, there's Basir. I don't think there are any Khanzadi from 50. Yeah, that's it. Not
Okay.
anyone else. Yeah.
I consider you very lucky क्योंकि आपके crowning day पे there was a gem of a personality,
Yeah.
Sushant Singh Rajput. So do you share or do you remember any beautiful memory of that day which you could share?
Of course, I think it was.
seen cheering for you. He was
Yes,
rooting for your
absolutely.
answers and all.
Those are the moments that I remember because when you're on stage, you're shivering and you don't know what's going to happen and you have to look eloquent and you have to answer well, so exude confidence. So when I was answering, there was my top 10 question, and it was about how have I lost 20 kilos in 3 months and what was my fitness journey like. And I gave an answer, and at the end I said, "Hum fit to India fit." And Sushant just stood up. He's like his expression motivated me so much. And even while answering, like judges usually don't respond to you. Like people usually nod heads or give an expression. They don't. But Sushant Singh Rajput, he was constantly giving those expressions and cheering on other girls also. So I think that's what I loved about him that night. Yeah.
Now let's move on to our gaming section. This round is called चटपट फटाफट, जिसमें हम आपसे कुछ चटपटे questions पूछेंगे and आपको फटाफट आंसर करना है. And if you don't do that, then we have chili. One misconception people have about you.
That I have an attitude.
If given a chance, do you wish to become Bollywood actress?
Of course, 100%.
What's your current relationship status?
Don't share with the world.
2026 energy is all about.
Go get it.
Say one word for the following. Salman Khan. One word.
Sir, respect.
Krishna.
Oh, love.
Prince Narula.
Dominating player.
Basir.
Change the question, please.
Amal Malik.
Brother.
Rajat Dalal.
I think I've already tagged him something brutal.
Brutal. Oh. Tanya Mittal. Farhana.
Ex-friend.
Arushi.
Sweet.
Riddhima Pandit.
Confused.
Traitors, खतरों के खिलाड़ी, झलक दिखला जा, TV serials और Bollywood movie. Choose one.
Bollywood movie, for sure.
Okay, now let's move on to next section.
See, no chilies,
खानी
yay!
पड़ी. Okay, so this game is called red flag, green flag. We'll give you situations and you just have to pick red flag है या green flag है. He's a 10 but talks to his ex daily.
I'm okay with that.
Green flag?
Green, yeah.
He's a 10 but doesn't post you on social media.
For sure. A person who doesn't post their partner on social media is trying to hide that person from someone else or a lot of others, and that is a red flag for sure.
He's a 10 but has anger issues.
Nah, red flag. He can't be a 10 if he has anger issues, guys.
He's a 10 but he's too controlling.
Red flag. Again,
Red
he's not a
flag.
10.
Yeah.
That's not a 10.
He's a 10 but he's super insecure. Again, red flags. Sorry, red flags.
100%. He's not a 10. Again.
He's a 10 but he's poor.
That's not red. That's green flag.
flag.
That, yeah. I mean, a person can work hard, can be working hard and reach where they want to. That's not a red flag.
He's a 10 but he's very unhealthy. He eats junk all the day.
Okay, do we have a bigger red flag?
He's
Unhealthy is red flag for
Red
sure.
flag.
Yes.
He's a 10 but asks Where are you every 30 minutes?
That's cute actually.
Yeah, he's
That's-
obsessed with you.
No. Obsession is wrong, but someone asking you just out of concern is cute, I think. Yeah.
He's
But if I tell them please don't do that, it's bothering me, then if they stop, that's great. But if they repeat after that also, after drawing a boundary, then that's a red flag. But I don't think. Yeah, I think it's cute.
he's a 10, but he hates your best friend.
I would never date a guy who hates my best friend, so that's a red flag.
He's a 10, but doesn't like watching Big Boss.
Wait, what? I'll have to make sense of this question. He doesn't like. Fine, please don't watch Big Boss. Don't watch my season for sure. I love people who have not watched my season.
He's a 10, but says I need space after every fight.
I think green flag. Everyone needs space to process. I need space to process things. So I think it's a green flag. But he should come back. In the space, ऐसा ना हो एक महीने का space हो गया, is gone. I think thank you for having me. First of all, this was fun. I wasn't expecting a few questions, but okay, it works. I mean, this is what I was here for, to answer everything that you want to know, and I hope I did that. But I had a blast. I think the game segment was the best.
Yeah, and we also loved having you, hosting you. It was so fun talking to Nehal.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much for being here.
Thank you so much. Yay!